Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to transfer money from Current to Cash App. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So for you to make a transfer from your current account to Cash App, what you need to do here is you need to connect a bank account on those two platforms, because currently there is no direct way for you to transfer from Current to Cash App. So for you to transfer your funds or to move your funds from your current account, it's essential to connect a funding source such as an external bank account. Now once you've established this link, you'll need to follow the following steps. First thing you need to do is you need to tap on the $ icon, and from there select add and move money. Now from there, choose a funding source from which you want to send money, and if needed, tap a new source to configure a direct deposit or deposit check, or add a new bank account. Now from there, indicate the destination for the funds, enter the desired deposit or withdrawal amount, and tap next. And on the final page, you can specify a start date, set the frequency, and add a note. Now finally, tap confirm to complete the whole process. Now, for you to link a bank on the Cash App mobile application or in your account, what you need to do is you need to go to the Cash App home screen and click on the profile icon at the top section. Now from there, select or look for the option that says Link Banks, and from there, click on Link Bank on the next page. Now from there, just follow the prompts for you to add your bank, and from there, you could go ahead and proceed on cashing in from that newly linked bank account. So yeah, so that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.